In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and send invoices on HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a fantastic tool for managing your business, and sending invoices is a crucial part of maintaining healthy cash flow and professional communication with your clients. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to navigate to the sidebar within HoneyBook. Once there, look for the My Templates section. This is where you can manage all your document templates, making it easy to reuse and customize your invoices for different clients and projects. Templates are a great way to save time and ensure consistency across your communications. Now, after you've accessed My Templates, the next step is to create a new document. To do this, select Create New and then choose Smart File. From the options that appear, click on Invoice. This selection will open up a blank invoice template that you can modify to fit the specific needs of your transaction. Once you have your blank invoice ready, it's time to add the details of the services or products you're billing for. Click into the service block. Here, you'll enter all the relevant information about what you're charging the client for. Be sure to be as detailed as possible. Clear descriptions can help prevent any misunderstandings or disputes later on. The next step involves setting your pricing. You'll need to enter the unit price for each service or product as well as the quantity. This will automatically calculate the total amount due. If applicable, don't forget to add any relevant taxes. HoneyBook will allow you to specify tax rates, which can be incredibly helpful for ensuring compliance with any legal requirements. Double check these numbers to make sure everything is accurate. Errors in an invoice can delay payments and complicate your accounting. Once you've completed your invoice, it's time to send it off to your client. HoneyBook makes this process seamless. Ensure that all the information is correct and looks professional. A well-presented invoice reflects on your professionalism and can help in maintaining a good client relationship. And there you have it. You've just created and sent a professional invoice using HoneyBook. Remember, keeping your invoices organized and accurate not only helps in getting paid on time, but also maintains clear communication with your clients. Utilizing templates and smart files within HoneyBook will streamline your workflow, saving you time and helping you focus more on what you love doing. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to efficiently create and send invoices on HoneyBook. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and good luck with your invoicing.